Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term bussy. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, bussy is slang for a male's butt, blending the words boy and pussy. People use it when talking about the male anatomy or to compliment someone in LGBTQ plus contexts. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Bussy first showed up in LGBTQ plus communities in the early 2000s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among queer and internet savvy groups. Now let's check out how to use Bussy in a sentence. Correct example 1. She joked that his dance moves showed confidence and grace, highlighting his Bussy perfectly. Correct example 2. That performer really knows how to work their Bussy on stage. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said Bussy at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using Bussy right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Bussy means slang for a male's butt. It started in LGBTQ plus communities in the early 2000s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Bussy in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.